Wasallam. And his beloved followers, I am a student of class 3, bearing the roll 2 of Shahbag Jamia Madaniya Qasimul Ulum. Would like to express my heartfelt thanks to all who are gathered here to have the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. On our presence, this very religious institute has been working with us since 1975, bearing a glorious result. Presently, with boys and girls section up to the Takmil fil Hadith alone, with 3 other sections, Hifzul Quran, Islamic kindergarten, and an orphanage, with a full speed to fulfill the demands of the time. All kinds of necessary education are given to the students so that they can contribute to all aspects of life in the day to come. Honorable audience, due to the grace of Allah and sincere effort of the teacher, about 485 students of Jamia participated in the central examination under 5 boards in various sections, and they come back with 9 colors having 86% result. Muhtaram attendance, at present about 2,000 students are studying in our institution under the full-time supervision of 70 skilled teachers, enjoying free boarding and lodging to need up on the expenses of the teacher account. Salaries and development works, we need 6 crores taka in a year. Under the above circumstances, I would like to finish my speech making an earnest request to everyone to expand your helping hands to our noble efforts by giving all kinds of charity, adding zakat, sadaqah, and mitra. May Allah bless you and us here and hereafter, and forgive them who are no more with us. Ameen. Wa akhiri da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
আজকে ওয়াজ করছো বা ওয়াজর কিছু হাতিয়া গিফট করবে পাই চলরে কিছু কিছু গাড়ি ঘোড়া দিছে বুঝছি তখন তো হয়ে গেছে আর